Hey, it's Latifah here, and I wanted to talk to you tonight about why I started educating myself about cryptocurrency and the blockchain. And in two words, it's women's freedom. See, now we have women in all areas of advancement. We have women in Congress. We have about 100 women elected to Congress this year. We have women who serve in the military, women who are judges and doctors, and in all areas of advancement. But on the world scene, women are still struggling. They're still struggling, and they're still not treated seriously or fairly. We are fighting for our jobs, and we are fighting in our marriages, and we are fighting for our health. And so instead of fighting the current system and making demands, for inclusion, we can be creating our own system in which we thrive. And so, what I'm learning is that there is a space that allows for an equal playing field. Cryptocurrency is a space in which there is there's no barrier to entry, which means that a woman with $5, $10, $15 can enter and start trading and amounting assets that would really change the wealth of herself and her family. And so crypto is freedom for women. It's not owned by it's not controlled by a system or a government who that holds women back, and so I posted an article a couple of days ago, and it talked about the blockchain, and it talked about how a woman who is abused, she can still seek help anonymously, getting through the blockchain technology. And that's just really, really important. So, and what really struck me is I learned that what really resonated with me in studying and in studying and learning from a gentleman named Brandon Ivy, who has a whole entire video dedicated to women in crypto and why women need this crypto and the blockchain, why women can thrive in it, and what it means to us in our future. And so what he mentioned, or what I got from it, is that no longer does a woman have to stay in a relationship in which her man is harming her because she fears that she doesn't have the finances. Because now she doesn't need a bank. She doesn't need her name on whatever bank account. With her phone, she can send and receive and trade and start building her own wealth. And so that was really powerful for me. So I have educated myself through a platform called KGX. It is an educational platform for blockchain, for cryptocurrency, and currently I've coached about a dozen people to get set up with their wallets, to get on to have the security of their wallets, and to get on the exchanges to buy, sell, and trade crypto. Okay, so I've done it for myself. I've done it for about a dozen of my teammates, and I've earned in my first month I earned $1,000, in which I reinvested most of that back into what I'm doing, so that I can now earn a mining machine, and that's a whole nother topic, and that's coming soon. So this is all super exciting to me. It is why, again, I have started educating myself. It's always good to be on the up in what's new, the technology in your finances. I had said earlier this year, this is what I'm helping my daughter with. And that's another reason why I've started to educate myself, is because I want the best for my kids. And I want my kids to know, to be prepared for their future. And the future is changing very rapidly. And this is just super excellent. So I'm sharing my education with you, and letting you know that I have entered the crypto space. I'm learning a whole lot about finances and about the space, and I think it's super important. I'm always in support of women and encouraging women, and so I wanted to share with you women that this is something that you should take a look at. Okay, so this is Latifa signing off. I wish you all a good night.